Welcome to Guide Hub. Today I am going to guide you on how to fix MBNA account login not working. For that, the first step is to make sure if you are connected to a stable internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi is not working properly, try to turn on your mobile data, and if you have a stable internet connection, try logging in into your account. If it still doesn't work, the another step is to check if your credentials are correct, that is your login name or your password. In case if you forgot your username or your password, you can simply tap on the option forgot your login name or password, and they will be guiding you further step to get your account back. But in case if your credentials are correct and you are still having problem to log into your account, then maybe you need to clear the cache of your browser. For that, all you need to do is tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner. There you can see the option delete browsing data just below the add to reading list. In case if you don't see that option, you can also tap on the history option at the top. You will be now guided to this page, and at the bottom left corner you can see the option delete browsing data. You have to simply tap over there. Once again, tap on the option delete browsing data at the bottom. Make sure to tap on the option once again. Even after that, if you are having problem to log into your account, maybe you need to update your application or your web browser. If you have your application, then make sure it's updated up to date. But in case if you are using web browser, then you need to update it. Here I am using Google Chrome, so make sure it's updated. To check it, all you have to do is go on the App Store. If you need update, then you will be seeing an update option just beside the open. But here you can see that my Google Chrome is already updated, so I don't need any update. But if you are seeing the update option, then make sure to update it. After the update, type your credential and try logging into your account. These are some of the fixes you can try to fix your MBNA account login not working. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.